Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. Alright, so today we are not going to be working on my car, but we're going to be working on my buddy Jeremy's 2014 F-150 EcoBoost. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing out these factory headlights to these new ones that have the projector with the DRL. So we went ahead and did one already just so we can, get everything put together how we need it to be, and so we can make the filming process a lot shorter than having to show everything. So hey, go ahead and cut on the DRL. So those are the factory headlights right there, and then here is the aftermarket headlights that Jeremy wanted. He really wanted the DRL and then the projector, so go ahead and cut on the headlight. So as you can see, we have the daytime running light already turned on, and then boom, now we have the LEDs on. So big shout out to Aux Beam. They're the ones that sent out the fog lights and headlights. So if you're interested in some Aux Beam lighting for your 2014 F-150, the headlights are, the fog lights are 9005 bulbs, and what are these oh yeah, and then your actual headlights are your H7. So here's the bulb itself, has a little fan on it, little capacitor, whatever you want to call it. So where did you get these headlights from? Amazon. Alright, so we got these off Amazon, and these look like the headlights that come on the, what model trucks? The Raptors and the Platinums, whatever. You know how like the new Platinums, they have that nice little C. But so Jeremy has been searching for these for a while, and now he's got them. So we got the daytime running light wired into the DRL, and then of course we got a new brand new projector housing that has the new LED bulb in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to take this factory headlight out, put the new headlight in, how to wire it, and like I said, we're going to put a new headlight bulb and a new LED bulb. We already put the LED bulbs in the fog light itself, so really all you're going to see is the wiring of the DRL and the LEDs to the factory wiring harness. So I know this is a little bit different than what you guys are used to seeing on the channel, but I figured why not make a video anyway, just in case some of you all drive trucks or have friends that drive trucks, and this would just be a good little install video. So let's get to taking the passenger headlight out. Alright, so as you can see here, you have a screw here. We've already taken it out. So one here, and one here, and then the whole entire headlight will come out. Go ahead and pull that headlight out. So like I said, you just have 3 screws, that's it. And just kind of pull towards your body, and then the headlight will come right out. So just to give you an example, on the headlight that we already have finished, as you can see, you have a bolt there, a bolt there, and then you have one down below right there. So comment down below and tell me what y'all think. I think these headlights look freaking amazing. All right, so step 1 is done. You already got the headlight out. We already have everything disconnected. Now we're going to go in and put the actual new LED headlight in and get it wired and stripped. So one thing that you're going to want to note is on here, you're going to want to peel back some of this tape on here. There's a yellow with a blue line going through it. That's your positive. And then you have a black with a gray stripe, I believe it is. That's going to be your ground. That's where you're going to get the power to your new daytime running lights for that white bar. But once we get this stripped back, I'll show you all that better, because it's all taped up and you can't really see the colors that well. Alright, so Jeremy had got these headlights off Amazon. If you're interested in them, I'll have the link down in the description, along with the Aux Beam lighting LED bulbs. Alright, so here you have it. Here is the new headlight that we're going to be installing. So this is your over here, as you can see, this is your power and ground for your daytime running light, and this wires into your factory headlight. But what we have to do is we have to splice this into the daytime running light, or the parking light, I guess you could say. This bulb that is right in there, we're gonna have to splice directly into that. So I'm gonna show you guys here in just a few minutes how we're gonna do all that. Alright, so what Jeremy's doing right now, he's just removing some of the factory shielding to the daytime running light, so we can get enough room in here to splice the power and ground for the actual DRL, the new white DRL that should be fine. That's in the headlight. Yeah, that should be plenty. So like I mentioned, this wire right here, if my camera will focus, this yellow with the blue stripe, that's going to be your power. And then, excuse me, I think I said that wrong. This black with a green stripe, that is going to be your ground wire. So power is yellow with blue, and then ground is the black and green. And then that's going to give us the power to the DRLs. Alright, so as you can see right here, we went ahead and spliced the power and ground to the actual DRL, and we went ahead and spliced the power and ground to the daytime running light. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tie the power and ground in. We have our little heat shrink butt connectors, and then we have our little heat gun that we have right there, and that's going to, you know, allow everything to shrink up and make sure everything has a nice and good seal and tight. So that's what we're going to do next. Alright, so the next step that we took is we cut slits inside of this dust cover boot, whatever you want to call it, and we fed this wire through there, and then we fed the actual connecting piece to the actual headlight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this boot that you have, and it's going to go around this lip right here, and that's going to make that completely sealed off. And then all we have left to do is to connect this in to the power over here to the actual daytime running light, and then that's it. So yeah, overall maybe an hour, so maybe like 30 minutes per headlight, and then you get everything done. And yep, so all we gotta do is put that dust boot cover back on and tie up the actual daytime running light to some power and ground, and then we'll be cooking. We'll be looking good. Alright, so before we start heat shrinking, I just want to show you guys we have the power from the DRL, power from the parking light, and it's all connected together. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and heat that up, let that get nice and tight in there, and then we're going to go back in with some electrical tape, and then we're going to do the same thing with the actual ground wires, and then you have new headlights in, like I said, no time. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have the actual daytime running light all powered up. I just extra precaution with the connectors, we just went ahead and put some more like electrical tape on it, and then next thing all we got to do is we actually got to put the actual daytime running light bulb in, and then put this marker in, and then button everything up, put the headlight back in, fire it up, and make sure that it works. So super simple process, not that hard. I figured I'd make this install video because me and Jeremy couldn't find any on YouTube, and these headlights didn't come with any instructions. So once again, if you're interested in getting these headlights, we'll have I'll have the link down in the description, and also if you want to check out Oxbeam lighting bulbs, I'll have their link down in the description too. So big shout out once again to Oxbeam Lighting for sending these LED headlights and fog lights out. Alright, so as you can see, we have the factory headlight unit that Jeremy purchased back in. The DRL is nice and white, and of course the LED projector housing now has a nice LED bulb in it. Too bad it wasn't a little bit darker outside so you guys could see this. I can't wait to see what these those daytime running light little, you know, white bars are gonna look like at nighttime. But yeah, they look super clean. Fog lights are working, headlights working, everything looks good. So everything is nice and crisp, clear white. So if you guys are interested, like I said, once again, we'll have the headlights down in the description, and we'll have also the Oxbeam lighting down in the description. So I know this video is not about my car, but I figured, you know, I should still share this with you all because I'm still doing an install. So not only on my channel we're going to be working on my car, but we'll be working on my friend's car. So if you liked today's video, leave it a like. If you didn't like today's video, still leave it a like. And if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully the footage turns out okay. And like I said, to come in the future, we'll do some more actual exhaust footage of me driving the car by and what it sounds like from a launch and a dig and all that good stuff. But yeah, so there is my world's loudest 10th gen Honda. It's freaking amazing. I love how loud it is. All the pops and gargles and bangs and booms. But anyways, so you got, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I am going to be going to school for the next 5 weeks. So like I said, my videos, I may not be able to make them happen every single Wednesday, but any chance that I get a chance to film and to upload and have one out for you on Wednesday, I'm going to do my best. I just got some more car parts in for my car, so we're going to have some more install videos coming. So I'm going to try to film as much as I can and get it out to you guys with me still going to school. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a like. If you didn't like today's video, still leave it a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.